Welcome back.
Tacking on the piece right there, and then we'll continue fabricating.
That's gonna well it, because I know it's in the position.
Yeah? All right. All right, let's solve that first. Smoke gets in my eyes. What do you know about that song? Shit. So we've got most of it fabbed up, right up until